Hello my fellow Christians, in today's video I'll be unboxing a brand new flip toy. Look, yeah, well, this is the flip skateboard. Deck, of course. Other skateboards are pretty fucking shit, but yeah, let's unbox it. First I need to say this is my new recording studio. Yep, this is my bed and this is my skateboard and flip and some snacks. I tell you, these are the best. These are the sky, Slovenian sky, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Let's open this up. But these can be bought in almost all stores. And yeah, let's check out. Okay, so we got a pretty cool skateboard, and oh, we got the dark wheels, very nice rotation, new peel, satisfying. The cover is pretty good, flip and don't penny. Yeah, well, let's see the stickers. Oh, these are pretty good as well. I really love them, by the way. And the big sticker. Oh, look at this. I love it. Yeah, now let's check. Okay, so yeah, but this is pretty fucking sturdy. It's great for grinding. Yeah, let's check it in the skate park. Yeah, but first we need to check out our Baker skateboard. Baker. I don't know what it's called. Be angry in the comment section and comment which is correct, Baker or Baker. Okay, so let's check our flip board. Well, and now we need to check our flip skateboards. He looks like he's about to bust. Well, yeah, let's check it. Solitary grinding. Whew, this is gonna be a huge one. Transition. That was a really good transition, by the way. Yep, its torso is not very good, but okay. For the end, I need to show you my illegal civilization board. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and goodbye.